Hey everybody, Sunday, March 10th, looking at the Astro Excel for the coming week. You can see at the open tonight here at 1800, we have peaked right before that, and then we're moving down all the way into Monday evening at 1800. We're really below the zero line all week long. So at 1800 on Monday, then we kind of flatten out here just above the -10 line. We're running sideways. Tuesday morning about 8 a.m., the pressure turns up and runs back to the zero line at about 11 p.m. on Tuesday. Pretty much through Wednesday, we're really just flatlining, so there's not a lot of influence here astrologically throughout the day on Wednesday. As we get into Thursday, the 14th, at about 2 a.m., we start to turn that pressure down, and we get a pretty strong push down to the -16 area here at about 7 a.m. Friday morning. And then we're kind of sideways into the afternoon, and then we push up into the close Friday right here. But we're still below the -10 line, around the -14 level. So that's the green line pressure for the week. The blue line is pretty well contained between these 10 lines as well. We don't even get a spike outside the 10 line until Thursday. We get this spike peak here at 6 a.m. and then around noon we get a spike to the -10 level, and those are really the only two spikes to the 10 levels during the trading periods this week. You want to look at the areas where the two lines are in sync. Like Monday morning, the two lines are in sync till the downside until noon. Then at 7 a.m. Tuesday, they're both turning up for the duration of the day session. Wednesday's pretty much looking like a chop. We synchronize here again Thursday at about 6 a.m. till noon when the lines are running together. That's where we have our two spikes on the blue line. Then they diverge, and then there's some periods where they're running together. This period from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m., blue and green are synced. And then from noon Friday to the close, both lines have turned up. So those points are going to be important. So what I would look at here inside these periods would be take a look at the Vedic Rainbow trend segment chart and see how those coincide with these periods. We had some good trend segments this week, and a real nice one on Friday morning, a nice uptrend early in the morning in the European session. Anyhow, that's the Astro pressure for the week. We'll be back again Monday with another video.